probably gets better if you just stole it from me.
I'll get my one.
Just smelling your shirt is making my allergies kick up.
Oh, yeah, I was hugging my cat before.
Okay, I was hugging a cat before I got here too.
Oh my. Ew, why are you hugging it? Like, when you're that deep in, man, let's be real.
No, I was seriously just.
How many cards does everybody get?
7. I was singing to her.
I'm just gonna.
I've never played
I was
this
singing to
before.
her too.
So I don't.
I'm just gonna turn on the TV for the sake of background noise. How do you play this?
Have you ever played cards?
Have you ever played Apples to Apples?
It's the exact same thing except dirtier.
Oh, wait, shit. A police shooting?
You know, police tells us 2 city detectives were out working the case when they came across a man here at the corner of
Harrisburg.
Vernon Street. Neighbors said they heard a lot of yelling, saw the man run, and then heard a round.
Literally, like everyone
Wait,
like
shit.
smells bad in the room.
That's some good shit right there.
Where was this shooting?
Shit, where's the fuck out?
Where's the actual?
Wait, shit. Should I get my dad?
We interrupt this
No.
program. The Office of Civil Defense has issued the following message. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. Attack warning means that an actual attack against this country has been detected and that protective action should be taken. Important instructions will follow in 30 seconds.
What the fuck?
It's northeastern, it's not here.
They have to like put that.
They have to put that everywhere, just so like if people here are watching TV, then they can like contact their family that's in northeastern United States. So.
Our criminal.
Again.
Wait, shit, why did it come? Should I get my dad?
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's scary. I hate those.
So dramatic.
At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, civil authorities detected that a nuclear attack had commenced against the United States. These attacks are thought to be, but are not restricted to the following cities:
Oh my god.
Chicago, Denver, New York, St. Louis, and Washington, D.C. This warning applies to all areas receiving this broadcast, as nuclear fallout can spread over a large area. Immediately seek shelter that can protect you from radioactive fallout. Available if you have one. A fallout shelter is best. Tune to 770 AM for important information during your stay in the fallout shelter. This is an emergency
Nuclear attack
notification.
against the United States in like New York and Denver and.
No. It was a movie?
No, it's not a movie. It just came on the TV when we were watching the news.
It just happened.
So what did they say?
They said something about like a.
There's nuclear attacks in some big cities across the U.S.
An attack today.
No way.
Yeah. Something happened.
Vacation.
What?
Vacation.
What?
He's telling us to leave.
Yeah. Maybe you guys should like.
So I guess it's the end of the world.
La Oficina de la Defensa Civil ha publicado el mensaje siguiente. Esto es una advertencia del ataque. Repetición. Esto es una advertencia del ataque. La advertencia del ataque significa que un ataque real contra este país se ha detectado y esa acción protectora debe ser tomada. Esto es una notificación de las medidas de
Was Phoenix one of the cities?
No.
Oh, good, we're safe.
But still.
Right?
It said it includes but isn't limited to.
Should we actually do this thing they're saying?
Do you have a shelter on the ground? Dude, I almost lived in a house that had a bomb shelter.
You
It had
have
a crawl space.
You have a basement.
Oh wait, yeah, I do.
So this is weird. It's coming through Apple TV too?
This is where there's a basement? I'll grab it now. There is a basement, but there's also like a room that has like no
You
windows.
guys probably all gonna fall.
I'm kind of freaked out too, but I don't know how legitimate this is.
It's just like.
It feels legitimate, but
So
like, I don't
if
know.
somebody's was from Russia, or what did they say?
No, yeah, this is the
nuclear-
Soviet Union, but Soviet Union
The
is
Soviet
not,
Union doesn't exist.
that's not the right term.
Yeah.
So, then we must be launching missiles at them, so it's like the end of the world. Everything's gonna be blown.
But then why would they put that on TV?
Yeah, they wouldn't put that on TV.
Well, there's nothing coming up in news on the internet.
You're all kind!
Shake my head. Shake my head.
Trying to fool us, everyone's gonna die.
You know, I don't really have.
Me, I'm over here shady AF, like, no. Internet picture.
An hour away from Denver, that was bad.
She's been plotting that all day.
Who believes that?
I did.
How did you do
If
that?
I actually believed that, I would've been more freaked out. She told me before.
I already got rid of these,
Oh.
How did?
Because she knew I wouldn't believe it because, I don't know, I just know her bullshit.
Wait, I don't get it. How did you do
Your dad's
that?
like, well, it's the end of the world. Your dad's like, oh, time to die.
You're like us on camera or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
I got this off